how to view available restore points in Windows 11. In Windows 11, System Restore is a recovery tool that creates snapshots of your system called restore points, which allow you to roll back system files and settings without affecting your personal data. In this video, we'll walk through several reliable methods to view your available restore points. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why viewing restore points matters. First things first, it's important to understand why checking your restore points is helpful. Restore points are essential for troubleshooting system problems, reversing unwanted changes, auditing system stability, and ensuring you have recovery options before major updates or configuration changes. There are 4 different methods to view your restore points in Windows 11. Let's start with the simplest one, using the System Restore interface. How to view available restore points in Windows 11. Method 1, using the System Restore interface. First, press Win+R, type RSTRUI, and press Enter. When the System Restore window opens, click Next. Then, check the box labeled Show More Restore Points. You'll now see a full list of available restore points. You can also select a restore point and view its details, or proceed directly with a restore if needed. Method 2, using Command Prompt. If you prefer a quick, scriptable option, the Command Prompt can display shadow copies associated with restore points. Press Win+X and select Windows Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin. Then just run the following command: vssadmin list shadows. This displays information about shadow copies, including creation times and volume details. While they aren't explicitly labeled as restore points, these shadows copy entries correspond to them. Method 3, using PowerShell. Next, PowerShell provides one of the most detailed and filterable views of restore points. Start by pressing Win+S, searching for PowerShell, and choosing Run as Administrator. Then enter this command: get-computer restore point pipe format-table-auto-size. This displays a structured table listing each restore point's sequence number, description, event type, and creation time. Method 4, checking registry settings. Lastly, while the registry editor method doesn't show actual restore points, it helps you understand how System Restore is configured on your device. First, press Win+R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Then navigate to this location: HKey_local_machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, System Restore. Here, you can check registry entries such as RP life interval, how long restore points are kept, last restore point, timestamp of the last creation, RP global interval, minimum time between restore points. Only use this method if you're comfortable working with the Windows registry. Incorrect edits can cause system issues, so proceed carefully and back up your registry first before making any changes. At the end of the day, viewing restore points and understanding how they work are key to keeping your Windows 11 system stable and recoverable. For more information, check out our official blog post on viewing available restore points in Windows 11, linked in the description below.